Maidí mai fastí agus a hisismóirí, cé comór is atá an ghealach is sé an leir inniu. Just How Big Is the Moon by Heather Henning and illustrated by Stephanie Longfoot. Bhí cat bheag chluiste bhí si géirí a bheag fólam, a bhama ar siise cé comór is atá an ghealach. Little Kate was very clever. She was trying to learn. Mammy, said she, just how big is the moon? Tá an ghealach an mór sa mammy, agus tá sí mór agus crin. The moon is very big, said Mammy. It is big and round. An bhfuil an ghealach go mór agus go crin le líthróid tre a dysrí catch? Tá cinseir sa Mammy. Ní féidir leat an ghealach a ardú agus caiithú suas an air. Is the moon as big and as round as a beach ball? Inquired Kate. It is certainly, says Mammy. You cannot raise up the moon and throw it up in the air. Tá an ghealach fear war agus tá sí geal. The moon is so big and it is bright. Agus an bhfuil an ghealach comór agus có geal le roth a dysrí catch? Tá cinse sa Mammy. Ní féidir leat a rochlú trasna an gardín. And is the moon as big and as bright as a wheel? Inquired Kate. It is certainly, said Mammy. You cannot spin a wheel across the garden. Seo é an rochlú an roch sin sa steering wheel. Tá an ghealach allmhór, rochlaíonn an ghealach hart. The moon is ginormous or gigantic. Rochlaíonn an ghealach hart. The moon spins around or rotates around. An rochlaíonn an ghealach hart cosú le Halligan an tracha dysrí catch? Rochlaíonn an ghealach hart a bhád níos guiste na Halligan an tracha sa Mammy. Ní féidir leat an ghealach a casú hart agus tú leat féin. Does the moon spin around like a merry-go-round? Inquired Kate. The moon spins around much faster than a merry-go-round, says Mammy. You cannot spin or turn around the moon and you all by yourself. Being an ghealach cuasa, the moon is on is rotating. It's cuasa. It's rotating or it runs, okay, or goes around. Bhí marble catch cuasa shisha. And me an ghealach snav cosú le scammel, and bhfuil an ghealach a bhádar hiúlúin. Kate was confused. Rotates, says she. Does the moon swim like the clouds? Is the moon, far from us? Chur catch hí a cholí spáis, mar bhí mar cholí ihe eki. Chai tedji a chasog agus a chlugad spáis. Bhí sé an am dul na lí. So Kate wore her space outfit as her pajamas, and Teddy wore his jacket and his helmet, his space helmet. It's time for bed, says Mammy. Snav siad agus chlowny siad, hí an labba in a hartach spáis. They swam and they slid. Her bed was like a space craft. Tam muid chuirsa a ghealach. We're en route, called Kate. And Romuj and Shaw Hannah at dysrí Teddy. Were we here before? Inquired Teddy. Vanny and Verch Dawn na rialtaga agus deitsil siad haar an ghealach. Chas and na planage agus rochlaí na rialta scuba law. The two met some stars as they flew over the moon. They met the planets and some shooting stars flew past them. Prab, hurling mudge an ghealach a ghealach. Ooh, tammy bish, brat noe mudge ga illa rud. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We've landed on the moon, called out Kate. Woohoo! I'm excited. We will see everything. A math lat a hedgie, a math lat a dus sa tedgie, agus conny grem dang an Out you go, Teddy. Out you go first, said Teddy, and keep a close or a tight hand on me, or hold me tight. Yeah. Rí chat agus Teddy go fada leis na sléifte. Liam siad, frab siad, as a cosí siad ag sugrú. So Catch and Teddy went as far as the mountains. They jumped, they bounced, and they started to play. Bratni seo sa Teddy, rialta hetchama as an sperata on. Carrick ghealach dréachta a ghealach, chorista I the chlugadí. Look at this, said Teddy. A star that fell out of the sky it is. A moon rock, a magic moon rock, shouted Kate. Put it into your helmet. Tashi, they're bish. They're really excited. Ta an ghealach war sa Teddy. Ta an ghealach muirge sa Catch. The moon is very big, or humongous, said Teddy. The moon is majestic, said Kate. Míle céim come on, I skipped a bit. Ren Catch a chudge céimena a chorú, a hain, a tree, a jai, céad míle. Kate started to count her steps. 1, 3, 10, 100, 1,000. Míle céim sa Teddy, 1,000 steps, said Teddy. Fanny Misha and Shaw leis an garrig ghealach. I will wait here. 1,000 steps, said Teddy. I will wait here with the magic moon rock. Huel Catch lehi an Shaw agus an siúd haar na sléifte isteas na glanta agus isteach an atse na dorcha. Tá sé an Shaw scan rule a cap Catch. A hedgie, ca will tu, a gleeshi. Fecum alien sahunya. Kate walked here and there, over the mountains, into the glens, and into dark places. Oh, this is very scary, thought Kate. Teddy, where are you? She called. Oh, ta she had a wad mala. She's far from home. Hulshi and Carrick ghealach, dríchlí na rialtóga, chai siad solas isteas na hatch na dorcha. Chlowní Catch níos congraí agus níos congraí do hedgie, agus an sin honnig si in a knap cuddalta. The moon rocks shone, the stars twinkled. They threw light down into the dark places. Kate slid closer and closer to Teddy, and then she saw Teddy in a knap cuddalta, fast asleep. Oh. Gushi a hedgie, a stach lats an arctic spash. Whoosh! Wake up, Teddy, she said, into the spaceship. Whoosh! Ní roshi a wad go roshi a rash, a shumra cuddalta Catch. A wami sa Catch le hunt sa war. Hui mis agus Teddy go gí an ghealach, agus cé go mór is atá an ghealach a dysrí mammy. It wasn't long till she was back in her own bedroom, Kate's own bedroom. Mammy, she said with a big yawn, me and Teddy went to the moon. And just how big and is the moon? Inquired Mammy. Oh, a whammy. Ta an ghealach an war, ta an ghealach fear war, ta an ghealach ul war sa Catch. Oh, Mammy, said Kate, the moon is very big. It is really big. It's gigantic, said Kate. Agus sin an craik done ar scéal aniu, agus fecim na planetí eile, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, agus na rialtaí ag lonrú, Frige and Spare, agus nach deas an scéal seo a fastí cé comór is atá an ghealach. Just how big is the moon?